welcome back to another vlog in my life. So in today's video we are doing another 2022 project, and we're going to be moving my bed and we're going to be transferring it. Like, this is going to be a fun project. Okay, so I have to figure out what in these buckets down here I can get rid of. This has my violin in it, my ukulele, some extra socks. Looks like I have a whole bunch of clothes, and this one I have like my pants, and this one, then I have another one back here. Yeah, I got a lot of work I need to do. I got a lot of stuff done. I went through both of the boxes and I went through my drawers and I got rid of a lot of clothes. It's just like a big old pile here. But I got rid of that, so both of those buckets are empty now. So I have the other two I need to go through, but it's kind of like stuff that really just needs to go in storage. So we'll just figure that out later. But as of right now, I'm just gonna go get me something to eat and just take a little break. So I've been working on this for probably like an hour or two. I'm never going back. So this is the next day, and my dad and I are going to be moving out the bed and the bed frame and stuff. So I'm going to be getting rid of one of my mattresses. So as soon as my dad gets home, we're just going to work on that and move all that stuff because it's just going to be a lot. So I cleaned out all underneath my bed. So we're ready to move it around. So yeah. Okay, so I didn't film the process of like setting all this up, but as you can tell, you can see the bed frame right here. So reason being is that is actually a queen bed frame, and then I have a full bed mattress. Reason being is that the plan was I was going to get a queen size mattress to go on this queen bed frame, but it just didn't work out that way, which is totally fine. So I just have my full on there right now, and I honestly don't mind it. It doesn't really bother me that much. It comes in handy with this little stinker because he likes to walk around my bed, and instead of walking on my bed, he likes to walk like the border. And then if I were to move the bed just completely over, which I can do that, it leaves room over here, which comes in handy whenever I have to like put all the sheets there or something, or like if my cat wants to hang out in just like a little nook. So anyways, it's no problem, but that is the situation. So project done. Eventually I think my dad's going to take this bed and turn it into a full for me because I realized I don't want to go with a queen anymore. So this is just how it's going to look for a little bit, which is totally fine. Probably by the time I move out, we will have this to be a full-size bed frame, but until then I just have like tons of storage under there that I can like use for now, so it works out. But yeah, project completely done. Got another 22 project done. I am so very proud of it. Like I said, it didn't really work out the way that I thought it was going to, but I'm honestly totally fine with it. And with me, I'm gonna be moving out probably within the next 6 months. So I'm really not too picky whenever it comes to just like different things like this. I'm going to be focused more on that whenever I do move out. But anyways, that is it for this video. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. It was kind of a little all over the place, but you know what? It's totally fine. It's okay. So thanks so much for watching. I really hope that y'all are safe and well, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.
no need for a plan. All